Welcome to Cool Bro channel.
Hi guys, let's talk about an interesting project called hydraulics. Let me explain about what is hydraulics.
Hydraulics is a science of making liquid do a job.
Let me show you a simple hydraulic system. I have a syringe filled with water and another one that's empty and also a connecting tube.
I'm going to connect both syringes in both ends of the tube. I'll put the pressure on the liquid so the liquid goes away and pushes this plunger out. Where do we use those hydraulic systems in day-to-day life?
Yes, we use several hydraulic systems from our day-to-day life. For example, actuator, elevator, ferry wheel, and pistons that may be in your automobile shop to lift your car.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll meet you in another cool video. Bye!